Sean with American Window Concepts. How long should your vinyl windows last? I am all about quality and value. Let's talk about low-grade windows versus a much higher grade of a vinyl window. If you're going and you're getting a window that is just really inexpensive, and there's a lot of manufacturers out there that will develop a vinyl window, package it up with a dual pane glass unit and send it out, and it's Title 24 compliant, and you're happy, right? You gotta ask yourself, if that window is so inexpensive, what's the warranty like on something like that? A lot of the windows that you're gonna see on that may not have much of a warranty at all. We're talking maybe 1 to maybe 3 years of a limited warranty. When you get something like that, I can guarantee you that window is not gonna last you a very long time. Powdering of the vinyl, very generic, cheap spacer between the two panes of glass, and they just break like that, and before you know it, you got a bunch of seal failures. The question is, are they gonna warrant that and replace these free of charge? No. You're not gonna get any kind of coverages and something like that, but that's how you're saving so much money, right? 5 years, your windows are starting to go south on you, and you're just like, well, we need to change these things out and get something that actually is going to be beneficial. That's where things get way more expensive, right? You're replacing something that you already spent money on, and now you have to spend more money to replace it and do it the right way. And then you have some of these middle of the road windows, right, that are vinyl, and I don't want to, drop names because that's kind of not the way I like to do things, but there are windows out there that you're going to find that they're a decent window. They're gonna hold up for 10 years or so, and before the rollers start giving way and seal failures start to happen. If you're gonna be buying a vinyl window, I would ask anybody who's coming out, do you have a good, better, best? And then make the decision based on that. Mid-grade windows, probably gonna last you about 10, 15 years or so, right? Now, let's talk about very high grade of vinyl window. Milgards, Pella, Anlins. There's more out there, but those are the ones that are so widely known. Those are the ones that are going to last you a very long time, okay? We're talking 30+ years, depending on how well you take care of your windows, right? If you thrash your windows, they're not gonna last you a very long time, no matter who you are. The installation itself. I don't care if it's a cheap window or an expensive window, if the window is not installed properly, it's going to give you problems. And I've said that many a times. A great window installed poorly is a poor window. Here's the cool thing about those windows. You're going to get a lifetime warranty, no labor charges to get something covered. So if you have a seal failure in 30 years and you're still living in that home and you're like, oh, here, we got an issue with this glass. Well, they'll come out and replace that glass for you for free, no charge. 30+ years, it can be way more than that. It just depends on how you take care of your products. All right. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.